Hello friends, today we are making this video to increase your lung power. You see, nowadays corona is going on and there is scarcity of oxygen, and in corona we find that one needs an oxygen. So if you have the huge lung capacity, then you will be healthy and you may not need an oxygen when you fall sick and all this. You see, the patient who are having asthma, that is, they have less oxygen, so they become more critical if they get corona. So one exercise is there that you can do at any time and it will increase your lung power. So before starting this, I will give you a small example what is a lung power. So it has been found that the singers live longer life. So you must have been knowing the singers while singing, they use the breathe for a long time or they do singing, and that's why they don't take breath and they sing for these things, Shastri Sangeet and all these things. So they have a big lung power. So how you can use that lung power, how you can increase that lung power, and how you can monitor that. So it's a very simple exercise, anybody can do it, and there are so many benefits. I will tell you at the end of this video what is the benefit. You see, you are not using full lung power actually, and if you have to increase the lung power, for example, you take a big breath, hold on, so you have not taken the full breath actually. So if you have to take more air inside, you have to empty the air outside first. You have to make a space, and it has been found that almost 30 to 40% of your lung you are not using throughout your life. And there are small alveolus like balloons. So the balloons, unless they narrow it or they just contract, they cannot expand. So you have to, in this exercise, you make them contract, then they expand, then you make them contract. So that is at the base of your lung. So all these alveoli, they are dead alveoli, or dead balloons of air in your lungs. You are going to make it activate and you will monitor it also. The simple thing is that you sit right, maybe in the chair or cross legs, but one thing is that your shoulders should be sideways, straight and like this. You will not take a deep breath and just straight and small breath coming, it's alright, breath you have taken, and just go on counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Before counting all these things, the number one exercise or number one thing you have to do, that you have to contract your anus. Contracting anus is whenever you don't want to go for motions, you contract it as strong as you can, and then you start, because contracting anus will create a pressure in your abdomen, and that will be a diaphragmatic breathing, and it will help you to exhale more and more air. For example, I sit like this, and all throughout the exercise you keep your anus contracted strongly and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You see, I have expelled all the air from my body, and then again I have taken it. Then again same, sit straight, contract your anus, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that, you go on doing it. Gradually you will notice that 10, 11, 12, 13, and like that you do. You can do fast, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. You count until your brain is so down that you need a breathing as much as you can count. You go breathless while counting. So that will create a great vacuum, and suddenly the air will be pushed inside your lungs, and that will help you to expand those balloons that have not expanded, those dead cells, dead space. And if you do this exercise, while doing this exercise, number one, while counting, no fast counting, no numbering, slowly, steadily, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. And you notice that your lung power is gradually increasing, and in that way your oxygenation is increasing. And this exercise is to be done as many time as possible whenever you are free. Usually my teacher used to tell me that this exercise should be done as soon as you get up in the morning, then before breakfast, after breakfast, before taking a meal, after taking a meal. All these things, whenever possible, you do it, because the amount of oxygen that circulates in your body gives you the strength. More circulation, easy digestion. Your digestive problem will go like anything, and you will get more oxygenated blood, more power, and your immunity will be more and more stronger. More the oxygen, stronger the immunity. This is a very simple, easy exercise, and if you do it very sincerely, you will monitor by the counting. And then after, when you are expert for 2 or 3 months, you don't need to count. You just sit straight away and exhale the air as much as, and your lungs are empty. So this exercise will increase the oxygen in your the oxygen capacity and oxygen in your body, and that will help you to minimize lot of disorders of digestive system and other systems, and this will really help you out. The benefits of these exercises are: number one is that oxygen increases, then your lung capacity and oxygenation capacity increases. Whenever it is needed, your lung is a great big store of your oxygen, and if you happen to unfortunately get a corona, definitely I hope you will not need oxygen, or you will not be in lack of oxygen. So this is a very simple exercise to be done at house. You do it, and what my teacher used to say, that if you do this exercise, you will look 10 years younger than that your age. So this is a simple exercise. Do follow, do it, increase your capacity. See this video. If you have any questions, please ask me. This exercise is called as breathing out, and we do advise this exercise to all of our patients, and it really helps you to calm your mind, increase your lung capacity forever, and do that exercise. Thank you.